Caught on camera in Toledo. Look at this. A Halloween display destroyed. The video from neighbors shows this woman causing an estimated $1,000 in damages.
Unbelievable. This all happening around
There
today.
is an incoming alert message for your safety. Repeat. There is an incoming alert message for your safety. Repeat. There is an incoming alert message for your safety.
This is a child abduction emergency. At 12 a.m., a 12-year-old boy has been gone missing. The parents said they heard his screams coming in the bedroom. And once they went to his room they saw this unknown individual wearing a black witch hat and carries a potion and an axe. Until he vanished taking the child with him. If you see the missing 12-year-old child, or this individual, please report this to the local police department. This is an alert message was broadcast from the National Police Department. At 5:23 a.m., locals found a missing 12-year-old boy standing in an alley. One local went up to the child until the child was snatched away by the same individual. Other locals got more evidences and recording of this voice of this individual. They noticed that his skin was in a gray color. He also attacked one of the locals by using a bomb that is shaped and looks like a pumpkin. The voice you're about to hear will be disturbing. This is for your safety. Police are still looking for the missing child and the individual until further notice. If you still see the missing child or individual, please contact your local police department. This is an alert message by the National Police Department. At 10:15 p.m. during Halloween night, the same individual is causing lots of panic in local neighborhoods and towns. We also got some terrible news about the missing 12-year-old child. It seems that the child has transformed into a giant spider, but its head may have the child's face on it. As for the individual, we have finally identified who is this person. His name is the Freakager. His gender is male, and his age is unknown. We also got word that one of the locals heard the Freakager calls the giant spider Ragno. Other locals know him from a video game called Minecraft due to his blocky looks. He wasn't the official character in the game, but he came from a mod called Village and Stillage, created by Yellow Bros. If you see the Freakager or Ragno, run as fast as you can, and call your local police department. All clear. I repeat, all clear. We got some good news and some bad news. The bad news is that the Freakager has escaped, leaving the Ragno behind. But the good news is he'll be coming back next October. If he comes back in next October, we'll be ready to end his wars once and for all. And as for the Ragno, which is the missing 12-year-old boy, we managed to tame it, but the problem is how could the child will turn back to its normal self? Scientists and doctors will figure out how they will find the cure to turn the child back to normal. As for the child's parents, they are worried if the cure will never be found. And as for the people who were trick-or-treating, We have to cancel Halloween for this year. Due to the Freakager causing lots of chaos in local neighborhoods and towns, we have to add more security around the place just in case if he comes back. That's it for this year's news. Happy Halloween.